There are three simple steps to adding fractions. First, make sure the fractions have common denominators. This means that their denominators are the same. Then add the numerators and put the answer over the original denominator. Simplify if needed. Let's add 1/8 and 2/8. Check that both denominators are the same. In this case, they are. Add the numerators, 1 plus 2, which equals 3. Put this answer over the original denominator of 8. Since 3 and 8 cannot be divided equally, we don't need to simplify. Here's another example. 1/16 plus 5/16. Add the numerators, which equal 6, and put this answer over the original denominator of 16. Since both 6 and 16 can be equally divided by 2, we need to simplify. Dividing both by 2 gives us a final answer of 3/8.